Hello, my dear friends. Question of the day. Is your clutter smarter than you? Has your clutter got you outsmarted? Has your clutter said, oh, no, I'm so sentimental. You can't get rid of me. Oh, no, you spend too much money on me. You can't get rid of me. Oh, no, you've had this forever. You can't get rid of me. Oh, no, you might use me someday. All lies. All of that stuff. Well, sentimental is not lies, and how much money you spend is not lies, but it doesn't affect today. That was yesterday. Sentimental clutter. Now, when I say clutter, I mean something that you don't love, need, or use. Okay, that makes it clutter. So it can still be sentimental, but it's clutter and you need to get rid of it. If it's sentimental and it's not clutter, you love it, you use it, you display it, you wear it, whatever it is, then it's not clutter. So don't let your clutter be smarter than you. Inanimate objects, changing your mind, let's not do that. I hope that you make it a great day.